Government Senior Secondary School, Ratanpur, Bhopal. Physics Project 2020-21. Sources of energy, environmental consequences, and how long will an energy source last us? Energy sources that causes pollution. Here are the most common types of sources of energy that releases harmful effluents in our environment. They are natural gas, releases methane, which is a major risk to the environment. The drilling and extraction of natural gas from wells and its transportation in pipelines results in the leakage of methane, primary component of natural gas that is 34 times stronger than carbon dioxide at trapping heat over a 100-year period and 86 times stronger over 20 years. Preliminary studies and field measurements show that methane emissions ranges from 1 to 9% of total life cycle emissions. Solar energy. The potential environmental impacts associated with solar power, land use and habitat loss, water use and the use of hazardous materials in manufacturing can vary greatly depending on the technology, which includes two broad categories: photovoltaic solar cells or concentrating solar thermal plants. Geothermal energy. The environmental effects of geothermal development and power generation include the changes in land use associated with exploration and plant construction, noise and site pollution, the discharge of water and gases, the production of foul odors and soil subsidence. Coal. Coal contains sulfur and other elements, including dangerous metals such as mercury, lead, and arsenic that escape into the air when coal is burned. Burning coal also produces particulates that increase air pollution and health dangers. Burning coal emits large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Ozone. The ozone layer had been thinning since the late 1970s. Due to the gradual increase in the use of energy sources, the ozone layer also starts getting depleted. Ozone layer helps to save Earth from the ultraviolet rays, but the release of CFCs and halons had reduced the absorbing capacity of ozone, hence may lead to cracks and holes in it, thus causing great damage to Earth. Ways to reduce environmental pollution. Choose eco-friendly appliances. Cut heating and cooling expenditures, switch to renewable energy sources, follow the steps reduce, reuse, recycle. How long will an energy source last us? Resources are mainly classified as renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. We cannot depend on the fossil fuels for much longer. Such resources that gets depleted someday are said to be exhaustible resources. On the other hand, if we manage biomass by replacing the trees we cut down for firewood, we can be assured of a constant supply of energy at a particular rate. Such energy resources that can be regenerated are called inexhaustible resources. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our respected physics teacher Mrs. Bindu Rajiv ma'am for giving us this opportunity of preparing a PowerPoint presentation as our class 10th assignment on the topic sources of energy, which really helped us to understand the topic well. Presented by group number 11, Aisha Khan, Palak Chauhan, Parampara Kadam and Siddharyan Singh.